Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete photo in MacBook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete photos from your MacBook, all you need to do is simply tap open and launch your Launchpad. So once you tap open your Launchpad, you will end up in this interface where you can find the photos option. So simply tap it open, and once you have opened it, simply scroll through every corner which has different photos of you. So once you found the photo that you want to delete, simply hold that photo and tap on delete one photo option. So once you tap on it, you need to reconfirm that whether you want to delete it or not. However, your photos will be in recycle bin for 30 days if you select the delete option. So once you have deleted it, you can follow the same steps to delete other photos that you don't want now in your MacBook. So this way you can simply delete photos from your MacBook. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our next video.